So let's talk about Google's versatility. Simple features have the ability to make Google amazing, and it really helps us with improving productivity in the workplace. So the very first thing you can do with your document is to make a copy. So let's say that you want to continue to edit this. Maybe you want to share your copy with somebody else so you can collaborate with them and you want to keep your original. To do that, you would make a copy of your document. To make a copy, you go to File and then click on Make a Copy. In this case, because it's a slide presentation with multiple slides, you have the option to either copy the entire presentation or just selected slides that you might want to share. Another feature that I love is the download option. Because Google Slides is able to work with Microsoft, you can download your Google Slides presentation into Microsoft PowerPoint and vice versa. You can load your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides. Another option is to download it as a PDF document. Let's say that you have finished this presentation and that you are ready to put it into its final mode. You can click on PDF and it's going to download a beautiful PDF for you to print, email, share. One feature that I really love and cannot get enough of is using the ability to download slides into a JPEG image. So let's say you loved this slide and you wanted to put it into a Google Doc. You could do that by turning this entire slide into one image. So you would click on the JPEG image button and it would turn this whole slide into a picture that you could then go insert into another document to create something like a flyer. Another great option is the email option. So you no longer need to go into your email if you know that you want to email this presentation. So if I wanted to email this file, I would just go to email this file, go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to see that you can send a copy to yourself. You can type the email address of the person that you'd like to email. It automatically pulls the subject from the title of your presentation. You can type a little message and then you have the option. You can send it as a PDF or you can send it as a PowerPoint presentation. And so this is going to go ahead and email this information right to the person that you want to send it to. Another option that's a little bit more advanced is you could publish this presentation to a website. That is a little bit more of an advanced skill, but as you can see, one document definitely has a lot of versatility when working in Google.